Hello guys, this is Anisha Annie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to wear vampire makeup because it is Halloween 2020. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. To moisturize my oily face, I'm using Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation for a whiter skin tone. Next, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Matte Magic Compact. I'm using an eyebrow pencil for the perfect eyebrows. Next, I'm using Color Essence Kajal for blackish eyelids. Now I'm using Glam 21 eyeshadow palette, taking black shiny eyeshadow and blending it onto my lid. Now I'm blending red eyeshadow on the outer corners of the eyes. Next, I'm wearing Color Essence Kajal on my lower lash line. Spreading it around the eye, making it look smoky. Now I'm taking this red eyeshadow to blend with the black one. Next, I'm using Swiss Beauty Red Lip Liner to draw the veins. As you can see, I'm creating these lines, making these veins look like a branch of a tree. Here I am just highlighting the eyelid with the red liner. Next, I'm using Maybelline's Hyper Glossy Liquid Liner. I'm taking Swiss lip liner for outlining my lip. Now I'm using Color Essence red lipstick to fill on the lip. Since I can't cover my big pimple there, I'm gonna cover it by pretending it as a mole. Now I'm drawing some blood drop coming out from my mouth like a true vampire. Next, I'm using Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara on my lashes. Now I'm gonna show you how to create fake fangs. First, you're gonna need 2 false nails. You have to cut these nails in the shape of the fangs. File down the rough edges so that they don't scratch your mouth. Use a dental glue to stick the fangs on your teeth. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you like this tutorial, give it a like, share and subscribe. To see you on my next video. Until then, bye bye.